Good morning, student of class 4th. How are you? I hope you all are fit, well and healthy. So student, take out page number 80 of your EVS book. We have completed the chapter and now we are doing the book exercises of the chapter 13. And the name of the chapter is Our Community. Name of the chapter is Our Community. So student, in our previous video we have completed the discussion of keywords, things to remember. Now today we will start with question number 3, because question number A, first and second part, tick the correct answer. This is a MCQ questions and 4 options are given, and out of the 4 options we have to choose the right option. Out of the 4 options we have to choose the right option. So student, let's start with the question number 3. सेवा works for the welfare of, option number A, man. Option number B, woman. Option number C, children. And option number D, all of them. So student, so our community, option number, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, सेवा वर्क्स फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ, किसके वेलफेयर में वर्क करती है सेवा, ठीक है. सो ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बेटा किसके वेलफेयर में काम करती है, फॉर द मैन, वुमेन, चिल्ड्रन, ऑल ऑफ देम. सो सेवा इज फॉर द वुमेन्स. okay, these seva organization, they work for the women's. So what is the right answer? Right answer is option number B. This is the right answer, option number B. सेवा वर्क्स फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ, किसके वेलफेयर के लिए वर्क करती हैं. सो दीज वर्क फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द वुमेन. सो नोट डाउन द बुक एक्सरसाइजेस in the book and then you will write question answer of the chapter in your classwork copy. Now next is cry. Cry works for the betterment of dash. Cry works for the betterment of, note down the first option, children. B, man. C, elders. And D, women. So this is also a organization, student. Cry. So these organization work for the betterment. Yes, what is the answer? Okay, very good answer. Yes, student, these organization work for the betterment of a children. ठीक है, क्योंकि एल्डर्स के लिए तो हेल्पेज इंडिया ही, और वुमेन्स के लिए तो बहुत सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, सेवा है, UNICF है, एंड NCW है, नेशनल कमीशन फॉर वुमेन, एंड इवन आवा, आर्मी वाइफ्स वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन. आवा stands for Army Wives Welfare Association. So there are many organizations which are working for the welfare of the woman, but cry works for the betterment of a children. Is it clear? Next, the Red Cross looks after the dash. Option number A, hygiene. Option number B, blood bank. Option number C, teeth. Option number D, bodybuilding. Okay, so student, the Red Cross Society, Red Cross is a organization which look after the hygiene. Hygiene क्या होता है? जो आपका पर्सनल, हाउ यू कैन टेक केयर ऑफ योर बॉडी पार्ट्स. ठीक है, जैसे मॉर्निंग में आप ब्रश करते हो, बिफोर स्लीपिंग ब्रश करते हो, नेल्स को ट्रिम करते हो, हेयर्स को प्रॉपर कट करते हो, यू रेगुलर टेक ए बाथ. इज इट क्लियर? यू वेयर क्लीन क्लोथ्स. सो ये सब चीजें आ गई. टीथ है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ देर इज एनी प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड टू टीथ देन यू विल गो टू द डेंटिस्ट. एंड नेक्स्ट है बॉडी बिल्डिंग. ठीक है, बॉडी बिल्डिंग के लिए जिम विम ज्वाइन कर लो. ठीक है, प्रोटीन वाला eat such type of a food from which you get lot of protein. So what is the right answer? The Red Cross looks after the blood bank. Note down, this is the right answer. Red Cross looks after the blood ब्लड बैंक, देखो ब्लड डोनेट कैंप भी लगाए जाते हैं, ठीक है, वहां अपने मन से अपनी मर्जी से एनीवन कैन डोनेट द ब्लड, इज इट क्लियर, एंड दिस ब्लड कैन बी गिवन टू द नीडेड पर्सन्स, ठीक है, इस ब्लड को किसी भी नीडेड पर्सन को दिया जाता है। ब्लड बैंक्स होते हैं, इसमें देखो अभी आप लोग छोटी क्लास में हो, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ब्लड ग्रुप्स होते हैं, ठीक है, आपके लिए एक छोटा सा होमवर्क है, यू डू यू नो व्हाट इज योर ब्लड ग्रुप, आपको अपना ब्लड ग्रुप पता है, अगर आपको अपना ब्लड ग्रुप पता है तो ऑनलाइन सेशन क्लास में आप बताओगे मुझे कि आपका ब्लड ग्रुप क्या है, तो देयर आर डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स ऑफ ए ब्लड आल्सो, सो हियर इज द ब्लड बैंक, ब्लड बैंक का क्या काम होता है, इट कलेक्ट्स द ब्लड, जो लोग ब्लड डोनेट करना चाहते हैं दे गिव द ब्लड इन द ब्लड बैंक एंड दिस ब्लड इज यूज्ड फॉर द नीडफुल पर्सन्स, ठीक है, जिन्हें जरूरत होती है उनको दिया जा सकता है ब्लड बैंक से ब्लड, इज इट क्लियर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, ठीक, fill in the blanks, every school so student question is every school has some dash involved in community services, तो याद मैंने तुम लोग को स्कूल के बारे में डिस्कस किया था, एट दैट टाइम आई एक्सप्लेन यू दैट द स्कूल आल्सो इन्वॉल्व चिल्ड्रन इन कम्युनिटी सर्विस, ठीक है, स्कूल क्या है, स्कूल के बच्चों को भी इन्वॉल्व कर रहा है, किस में इन्वॉल्व कर रहा है, कम्युनिटी सर्विसेज में, जैसे एडल्ट लिटरेसी सोसाइटी है, हेल्थ एंड हाइजीन क्लब, नेचर एंड एनवायरमेंट सोसाइटी, नेचर एंड एनवायरमेंट सोसाइटी, डिजास्टर रिलीफ सर्विसेज, so school, every school has some children involved in community services, this is question number first, note down the answer from the board, note down the second, what is the second question, every society, every society, every society needs some, okay, every society needs, every society need some basic dash to make their lives okay, now see student, every society needs some basic dash to make their lives better. देखो जो भी कम्युनिटी में रहने वाले लोग हैं, सो सबकी कुछ बेसिक जरूरतें हैं, ठीक है. एंड सो एवरी वन नीड्स सम बेसिक डैश टू मेक आवर लाइफ बेटर, जिससे हम अपनी लाइफ को क्या बेटर बना सकते हैं. तो व्हाट आर दीज बेसिक फैसिलिटीज, मतलब कुछ ऐसी बेसिक सुविधाएं जो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, हर किसी को जिसकी जरूरत है. तो हर सोसाइटी को, एवरी सोसाइटी नीड सम बेसिक फैसिलिटीज टू मेक देयर लाइफ बेटर. Every society needs some basic facilities to make their lives better. Every society needs some basic facilities to make their lives better. Now student, note down. Question number 3. People living in communities dash with each other as they do in a family. So see student, in a family also we help each other. In the same manner, the people who are living in the community, they also help each other. So it means what they are doing, they cooperate with each other. They cooperate with each other. They help each other means they are doing cooperation. ठीक है, cooperate कर रहे हैं. People living in communities cooperate with each other as they do in a family. As they do in a family. Then question number 4. The dash club in school. The dash club in school looks after the health of the people. So what is the name of the club in school which looks after the health of the people? That is health and hygiene. Okay, very good answer. What was the name of the club in school which looks after the health of the people? Name of the club is Health and Hygiene. Health and Hygiene. Student, you can note down in the video from your video also, or even you can take the screenshots also. Screenshots are very clear. From the screenshot you can note down in your copy very easily. Question number 5. Question number 5 is the RAS maintain the dash of the colony. So RA is Resident Welfare Association, which work for the betterment to provide good facilities to the people who are living in that area. So the RA maintain the dash of the colony. What he maintain? He maintain the, this is one of the duty of the RA. ठीक है, this is one of the duty of the RA. The RAS maintain the dash of the colony. So what is the answer? Park. What does they do? They maintain the parks of the colony. RA maintains the parks of the colony. Is it clear? Now student, we have completed question number B, that is fill in the blanks question of the book. Now student, let's start question number C. State whether the statement is true or false. Question number C. So, what is the first question? The government organizations the government organization are the only ones who look after the welfare of the people. So student, the question is, the government organization, the only ones, what he want to say that for providing facilities to the people living in different communities, only government organization are responsible for that. The government organization are the only ones who look after the welfare of the people. It means what are the facilities that should be provided to the peoples living in different communities, that is done by only the government organization. So yes, what is the right answer? Okay, well done. What is this? It is false, because I have already explained you, the government motivated some citizens to that they can involve to provide community services, and these organizations are known as NGO. These organizations are known as NGOs, non-government organization. So that is the reason student, this is false. Second one, second, the RAS organize social functions in the country. See student, I have already explained you what is the role of RA. RA is Resident Welfare Association. So here it is written, the RA organize social function. That is absolutely right. They organize social function for the members of the community. But here in this it is given, RA organize social function इन द कंट्री, मतलब पूरी कंट्री में जो सोशल फंक्शन ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं वो रा करते हैं. नो, सो दैट इज द रीजन दिस इज फॉल्स, बिकॉज रा ऑर्गेनाइज सोशल फंक्शन इन द कॉलोनीज and there are different colonies. Is it clear? So this is false. So this is false. Now see student, question number 3. Some of our basic services or needs. Some of our basic services or needs are clean surroundings, are clean surroundings and pure drinking water. So what is the right answer? What is it? Okay, very good. Yes, this is true. Question is, some of our basic service or needs are clean surrounding and pure drinking water. These are some of the common basic facilities of all the peoples who are living in different areas. Okay, all of them need clean surrounding so that they are also fit and healthy, and even they need pure drinking water. Is it clear? Okay, thank you student.